on a high-speed run all the way to the spot. Alright, I'm out here at the spot. I am looking for some big bass, maybe some big crappie. Throwing these Z-Man Ned rigs. We got some TRD craws. I might throw around this Runkle rattle trap. And yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, guaranteed bass sanctuary. Alright, since those are tangled up, by default, this is first. Oh my goodness. This is gonna work. It's gonna work out right here. First cast. Let's see how many casts in a row we can do. That's one. Here we go. That's not a bad fish. All right. Just as it kept coming in closer, I'm like, okay, yeah, it's not too small. Oh, and he popped out right there. Let's get another one. And another one, about the same size. This needs tightened. About the exact same size as the last one. All right, there's another fish right here, guaranteed. Got one. Oh my goodness, big crappie. Giant crappie. Oh my goodness. Giant crappie. I'm gonna keep some crappie today. I was planning on catching some crappie. It's only a 12-incher, but it's just so thick. All right. Crappie on the stringer. So up here, I was getting bass in the close casts. But last year at this time, I was also getting the crappie on a Ned rig, but not casting up in there, casting out there, and then on the bottom, I was getting the crappie on the Ned rigs. Giant ones too. The bass seem to be up in the faster stuff. Let's see if these crappie want to cooperate again. Oh, I think I just got hit. Yep. That's a bass. Oh my goodness, it's a fat crappie. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Fat crappies. And they're sitting out where I said they were. Alright, I could have swore that that crappie was a bass the way he was head shaking. We got 2 crappie on the stringer. We're gonna go 2 casts, 2 crappie, and we're going for a 3 casts, 3 crappie. Here we go. Who knows how long this fish has been on here. It's another crappie. And it's big too. Nope, it's a bass. Okay. I was gonna say, sheesh. Maybe a bass real quick. Ooh, yeah, he did get munched. He got grabbed up by something. There he goes. Come on, crappie, let's go. That's on. It's got to be another crappie. Nope. Oh my goodness. You're about to be like the crappie on the stringer if I don't get this out of here. Oh my goodness. Please be a fat crappie. Oh no, it's a fat bass. Ooh. That thing's really thick. I cannot get the crappie to bite now. Keep trying. Get out of there. Oh my god, that's something big. Either that or just got a lot of fight in him. Okay, pretty big. I thought it was way, way bigger than that though. Like if it was I thought maybe if it was a crappie, it was an absolute mammoth. Built just like that last bass I caught. Like so much meat on him. And a belly. Bass weighs a lot for how big it is. Same with those crappie. Here we go. I didn't even feel him bite that. These smaller bass I do not even want to look at. Freaking shad. I'm gonna stringer this up because he's gonna go in a bag for bait. So I'm gonna literally put him right on the stringer with these crappie. It got whacked. Damn. How do I keep missing him? Here he is, right here. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. Back with the TRD crawl. This pipe is slowly just slowing down. Less and less water coming out, and the bite also slows down along with that. But trying to pick one more crappie off so we can dip. All right, I definitely got into another crappie. So I think I'm gonna take off now. I caught that one off camera because my GoPro died. I made one last cast, and what do you know? Got one last crappie, so. Actually, I caught two last crappie with the camera off. This one got him a little wound. But yep, we're gonna stringer him up and then maybe make another cast with no camera. See if we can catch freaking state record with the camera off. That'll be awesome. Okay, so my camera decided to die. So I decided, oh, okay, I'll leave. Let me just make one more cast. And I popped off a crappie. And then I decided, let's make one more cast, another crappie. So now I put another battery in the GoPro. Hands are frozen. I gotta be home in like 20 minutes. And yeah, we'll put another battery in the GoPro and see if maybe we can't catch any more fish. What do you want? Got behemoths on the stringer, buddy. Ain't never seen them like that. I'm at your grandparents. He's like, leave there, man. Hold on. Oh my goodness, he said, my God. He said just absolutely smacking him on the FaceTime. You kidding me? All right, last cast. We'll see if we can't pick off a crappie. I felt the line just absolutely thump. Another crappie. And that's either size. That's better for eating, honestly. But shit, if the Lord wants to give me the big ones, they're gonna give me the big and shit. Dude, that thump that these crappie give this lure is absolutely insane. Look. Thump. The thump is unreal. See, it's a bass because it's too close in. Or is it? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It is not a bass. Built like a bass. Alright, my hands are frozen. We are out of here. We got the bag. Absolute murder scene. So, it's Mother's Day and I just dealt with some Mother's Day stuff. I just hung out with the mom and the grandparents. Now, I'm back at the spot. The water's not coming out near as much, but I think that the fish should be still here. I should still be able to get them. Nice crappie. Already on. They just eat it on the fall. Freaking nuts. Back at it every cast. Most of these are bass though. Which I don't mind it if they're big, but these last two were some pipsqueaks. We're not looking for you, buddy. We're not even attempting to look for you. Not even attempting it for a sec. Yeah. Oh my God, giant crappie. Okay, I thought that was a bass. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, he got off too. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what a freaking slab donkey.